What's up everybody, my name is JR aka the Sinister Camaro, and today I've got for you a very short, easy video, quick install video for you guys. I know I haven't had one on the channel in a while, but this is something super simple that a lot of people should know how to do, and it's something that every car is kind of different. So I wanted to go ahead and do it for you guys. It's gonna probably take about a good 2 minutes. Once you watch this video and know what you're doing, it's gonna be even quicker than that. Today we're gonna be swapping out these tag lights, as you can see, on both sides, so that way your license plate is nice and illuminated. I've got my 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 that I'm gonna be working on today. One of the lights has gone out. I swapped out to bright white LEDs so that it's nice and bright, shining onto my license plate instead of that nasty yellow look. And that's one of the very first things that I recommend anybody do, is get rid of those yellows and swap them out bright white, because they last a lot longer and look a lot better. So we've got a couple of these little cheap LEDs. Of course, it's not going to be like bam, wham, bam, in your face kind of price. It's going to be very, very cheap. You can get like a bag of these on Amazon for a very, very cheap price. Very simple to do. So let's get right into it and see how you swap this out. So as you can see here, there's no kind of way to get around into the lighting area. So what you're going to have to do is reach underneath, up under the bumper here. Just reach your hand up in there, and you're gonna find the backing where the light goes in. You twist it to the left, pull it out, and there you go. There's your LED. So that's the old LED that we had before. So here's another angle. Of course, up here is where the light's gonna be. Stick your hand up there, twist until it comes out. There you go. And there's your LED. So all you really have to do is just pull it out just like that, and that's it. Now when sticking these back in, there is a particular way you have to push it in. So make sure that when you do, it's not going to hurt anything. If you have it the wrong way, it's just not going to turn on. So just flip it around and push it in, and you'll be good to go. Alright, now all I had to do was just push it into the slot, and then you put it right back to where it was and twist it back in there, so it's nice and tight and sealed. Now after we swapped it out, of course we have it the right way, because the light is turned on and it matches the other one. There we go. Very nice, quick and easy tutorial. Now like I just said, if you have it the wrong way, just turn it around. So let's say you have it in the slot this way, take it out, swap it around, and put it back in. And once you do that, it should come on. If it does not, then you just have a defective bulb. Again, these are very, very cheap, but they're very, very bright. I definitely recommend upgrading these on any vehicle. The process is a little bit different. A lot of the older models are gonna have two Phillips head screwdrivers holding in a clear plastic cover over the light, and then it's the same process, pulling out the old one and plugging in the new one. Also have, like on my Camaro, where you basically have a tab that you push in, and it basically drops in the whole plastic cradle that it goes into, and you just twist on the end, pull out, and then put the bulb in, and then push it back in and screw it back in and pop it back up in there. So it's a very simple process for any car, and if you have any questions or anything like that that you want to ask, please drop it down in the comment section below. If there's anything else you want help with as far as installs on your vehicle, please let us know, and we might just put it on the channel for you. So thank you so much. Drop us a like if this video did help you at any point. Be sure to subscribe for more automotive and tech tips that we can give you on this channel, and some vlogs as well. And we hope to see you in the next one. Have a great one. Always remember and never forget to stay sinister.
Perfect.